Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School welcomes you all who has joined us for today's virtual celebration of Janmashtami. Happy Janmashtami to you all children. Children, you know that there are many festivals we celebrate in India. Shri Krishna Janmashtami is one of the important Hindu festivals being celebrated all across India. Shri Krishna Janmashtami is the birthday of Lord Krishna, the eighth avatar of Lord Vishnu. The festival is observed on the eighth day of the dark half, that is, on Krishna Paksh of Shravan month as per Hindu calendar. People celebrate this day by fasting, singing devotional songs, decorating the temples, offering the flowers and the sweet dishes to Lord Krishna, and the last but not the least, participating in Dahi Handi celebration. Let us see why we celebrate Janmashtami through this small story. The story of Janmashtami. A long time ago in Mathura, there was a king named Kans who was infamous for his greed and unfair rule. The people of Mathura were extremely unhappy with wicked king Kans, who put his father King Ugrasen in prison and declared himself the king of Mathura. After the marriage of his sister Devaki to Vasudev, a heavenly voice from above announced that Kans, your tyranny is going to come to an end. The eighth son born to Devaki and Vasudev will kill you. This enraged the Kans and he imprisoned the newly wed couple. When he came to know that the Devaki gave birth to a baby, he sent his soldier to kill them one by one. Like this, he killed 7 children of Devaki and Vasudev. When she gave birth to her 8th child, the prophetic voice returned and said, "Take the child across the river Yamuna to Gokul and exchange him with your friends, Nans and Yashoda's newborn daughter." Vasudev looked down to realize his hands had been unchained. He quickly picked up his child and put him in a basket. Arriving at the gate to find them opened on their own and the guards asleep. Vasudev was surprised to see that all the obstacles are vanished on the way to Nan's house. There was a heavy and stormy rain, but thereafter he kept walking. Across the stormy river, he put the basket upon his head. Then he saw the water level of Yamuna river is very high, but the water never rose above his shoulder. When he struggled in the river, a 10-headed snake appeared to protect the child from the pouring rain. Vasudev by now had realized that his child was a divine being. At Nan's house, Vasudev switched the children and returned to the prison. When Kans arrived and tried to harm the child, it took the form of goddess Durga and said, "The eighth child who is going to end your region of terror has been born and will fulfill his prophecy." And at Mathura, the child Krishna was raised by Yashoda and went on to kill Kans. And children, so every year we celebrate the birth of Krishna, also known as Janmashtami, across India. On this occasion, children of our school celebrated this day virtually by dressing up beautifully like Radha and Krishna. Let us look and enjoy the festival of Janmashtami with us.
Krishna Hare Krishna कृष्ण कृष्ण। देवकी नंदन तुमको वंदन, रखते सबकी लाज, सबके स्वामी अंतर्यामी पूरन कीजिए काज। देवकी नंदन तुमको वंदन, रखते सबकी लाज, सबके स्वामी अंतर्यामी पूरन कीजिए काज। मन मंदिर में सजे बिहारी, मनमोहन तेरी छवि अति प्यारी। मन मंदिर में सजे बिहारी, मनमोहन तेरी छवि अति प्यारी। बंसी बजैया रास रचैया, तारनहार मेरे तुम ही केवैया। तुमसे बड़ा कहाँ कौन कन्हैया। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। देवकी नंदन तुमको वंदन, रखते सबकी लाज, सबके स्वामी अंतर्यामी पूरन कीजिए काज। परंपार तेरी तू माखन चोर कहावे, भवसागर से सबकी नैया तू ही पार लगावे। भक्तों का सहारा तू बांसुरी वाला, मथुरा के बसैया ओ नंद के लाला। तेरी भक्ति में नाचे सब ताता भैया। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद, श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। देवकी नंदन तुमको वंदन, रखते सबकी लाज।
कुणीतरी सांगा तिला रुसू नको बाई, किसनाला या तिच्या विना कुणी सुद्धा नाही। गोपिकांचा नाद सोडून कान्हा झालाय सीधा साधा। राधा 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 माझी राधा कुठं गेली बघा, राधा 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 माझी राधा।
I hope you enjoyed this festival with us. Thank you for watching.